Let's go to wood to metal. What do you mean wood to metal, Jim? Well, primarily I want to attach a piece of wood to a piece of steel. And in this case, what we have is we've got a unique part. These are called winged teks, or the wood to metal teks. I think you can see this, but primarily what you have is down by the point, you've got wings on the part itself. Why? Well, you're going to drill through the wood, you're going to attach to the steel. And what's really neat is the wings help. So imagine when you are about to fasten, you put it in and you start to screw and the fastener itself drills. The wings are just big enough to where the wood doesn't catch the threads. If the threads get caught by the wood, it speeds up the fastener, it slams into the steel, it dulls the point, and it takes forever for the guy to finish off his fastening. The wings will carve their way through, and then eventually when they get to the steel, the wings break off, and it becomes a regular Teks screw. So wood to metal with wings is all about attaching wood to heavy-duty steel, where you protect the threads from getting caught in the wood, and then once the point gets to the steel, the wings break off, and of course you finish it off like a regular fastener. Wood to metal.